Sarura Kids.
Hi friends, I'm Trymore. What's your name? Thanks for coming to play with me today. Today we're going to learn how to say big and small in Shona. Can you say Hombe? That's right, Hombe. Hombe means big. Can you say diki? That's great. Good job, everybody. Diki. Diki means small. Come and take a walk with me. Let's find some things that are big and small. Hombe diki, hombe diki, hombe 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 diki, hombe diki, hombe diki, hombe 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 diki, hombe diki, hombe diki, hombe 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 diki, hombe diki, hombe diki, hombe 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 diki. Hona nzo iyo. Nzo iyo ihombe here kana kuti idiki. Hongo, nzo ihombe. Hona tsindi iyo. Tsindi iyo ihombe here kana kuti idiki. Hongo, tsindi idiki. Hona gomo iro. Gomo iro ihombe here kana diki. Hongo, gomo rihombe. Hona muuyu uyo. Muuyu uyo muhombe here kana kuti mudiki. Hongo, muuyu muhombe. Hona nguma iyo. Nguma ihombe here kana diki. Hongo, nguma ihombe. Hona mwana mucheche uyo. Mwana mucheche muhombe here kana kuti mudiki. Hongo, mwana mucheche mudiki. Hona masose ayo. Masvosve ayo mahombe here kana kuti madiki? Hongu, masvosve madiki. Big, small, big, small, big. So friends, what did we learn today? We learned that Hombe means big. We also learned that diki means small. We saw things around us that are big and small. Can you remember the big things that we saw? We saw an elephant or nzo. We also saw a mountain or gomo. We also saw a whale or nguma. The last big thing that we saw was a baobab tree or muuyu. They are all so big. Do you remember the small things that we saw today? We saw a squirrel or tsindi. We also saw a cute happy baby or mwana mucheche. And the last small thing that we saw were teeny tiny ants or mashoshe. We love discovering big and small things with you. Why don't you look around today? What big or small things can you find? Thanks for watching, friends. I'll see you again next time when we will be learning about near and far. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you get notified of our latest videos. See you later. Hombe diki, hombe diki, hombe 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 diki, hombe diki, hombe diki, hombe 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 diki, hombe.